guessing this was used for storage.
Yeah.
In today's video.
Yeah.
Shaun crashes his drone.
Crashed his drone.
I thought I heard something. You just crashed your drone.
Yeah.
You silly sausage. Crashing the drone.
And Shaun gets spooked.
Today we're exploring an abandoned house near Knutsford. Nice big red house. The big red house. We got Urbex with Shaun just over there and exploring Mike 744 here. Now let's go and explore. It's just wide open then.
I don't know how we're going to get in. We got in round corner. These are all open anyway.
Yeah. Trashed. These cage things on.
Words on it.
Yeah. The bin. I was hoping the door would be, but it's not.
A bit more trash.
So this is the garage. You got books, shoes, clothes. They look like new windows. That was going to get fitted. Some units. Nothing in them.
That's the unit, that, isn't it?
Yeah.
Just like a little cocktail bar.
People on their bloody drones.
I know. Any case.
I get my pictures afterwards, as we're literally right here. This is your access.
Yeah.
Or of Macclesfield. Oh, fucking hell, glass man. So we're in, literally just climb for the window. Oh, it's wide open. Fearless explorations.
Put one of my stickers there, I think.
Yeah. Got a nice fireplace. It's been trashed a bit. Yeah, so all the windows have access. Top down, come in here. Fridge freezer, and a small fridge freezer.
Yeah, still leaking.
Kitchen, still leaking. The stop tap usually in here.
Yeah, well that's where it would have been. But obviously they cut it below. So they took the stop valve with it.
Fucking hell. Why do people do that?
That obviously they've smashed all these windows.
Were these intact?
These are all intact. They've ripped doors off.
So Exploring Mike 744 was here a few months ago, and the windows were still intact, and not as much of the units were smashed or torn off. Upstairs. Oh. There's a Urbex and Shaun's one.
Rip his off, we don't do this.
Get some light in there because I've not got much light for this camera.
And that's what I've got to do for it to bring me torch, but it's not that bad.
Yeah. It's just some of the bits.
We've ripped a bit more than half of it.
This is one room. Little carpet there. We've got a little rug. Built-in wardrobes. Broken windows. That's downstairs. You know, like a little. I'm guessing this was used for storage.
Yeah. Quite hefty that.
Yeah. Sound room. Built-in wardrobe. It's the same in most rooms. More boards on windows. What happened?
Crashed his drone.
I thought I heard something.
He'll come running round in a minute. Here he is, running round. You didn't want to do that, did you?
I meant to bring it this way, but it went that way.
You just crashed your drone.
Yeah.
What did you crash it into? Because I heard it.
This window here. It's a lot more wrecked inside.
You silly sausage. Crashing the drone.
Yes. I meant to go that way, but instead of pressing that way.
Oops. Yeah, wait till you see in this room. Somewhat weird in here. Yeah.
Alright.
3 tape chairs. Someone's been out with a vape. So they're made well for their storage.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Just using every little cubby hole to make the storage possible.
That's like exploding my mic again.
Oh, who's that? I've never heard of that person. Who's that?
Right. Yeah, this was the window we smashed it into.
And another little thing. Did you go up there?
No, never went up. Those weren't there before.
It's alright with me, innit? We went up to the attic, which they didn't do when they explored it the other month. See if there's anything up there. Hello, anyone up here? Nope. So I'm upstairs in the attic. Not much, just packaging.
What's up there?
Not much. Just a few boxes.
Anything in them?
No. There's a box over here I haven't checked. That Omega that I keep seeing everywhere. Omega 16 watt DigiPro. Just a box.
Just a box.
Yeah. Another one in there. Guessing that'll be the box. They're not going to leave that here.
I wonder if we've been trying to do a grow. Or whether they have that one.
One surprised me, that grey stuff is everywhere up here. I'll get some photos and I'll come down. So just came down there, back down. Explored all this area, so let's go back down. So let's go back downstairs. Oh, coming up. It's trashed up here.
That was pristine down there.
Yeah, come and have a look in this room over here. And I've lost Mike as well. How weird is that with the chairs?
Yeah, that is random. These ones, none of this were here. And that's brand new, is that?
Yeah, I've just been in the loft as well.
Have you?
Yeah. I like the little...
Nice stickers here.
Yeah. I like these little storage things.
Yeah.
I don't know if there's anything in them though.
Oh yeah, nice stickers there.
Yeah. Yeah.
Fucking hell. You knew it all, didn't you?
And I was thinking, no, what should I do there?
Shaun just got punked.
Yeah, I'm going back. Yeah, this is fucking...
They've done a lot more, and I've just said, oh, that's fresh.
Hope you enjoyed this video, a short video of an abandoned house near Knutsford. The guys' links will be in the description below. See you in the next one.